Today I received the parcel with my smartphone. I was told that it was a repaired smartphone. It was my own smartphone. And after I erase my address, I will open the parcel and show you the smartphone I got. It's not a brand new smartphone, as I told you before. It's my own smartphone, and it is a repaired one. Let me remind you that the power button was not functioning at all, and I told the representative that a repairman told me that it was a mainboard issue. So I sent it back to them, and after 2 months I got my phone. So I will open the parcel carefully now, and I will show you the smartphone and if it's working. We'll check together to see if it's working. The package seemed very well preserved. It was not torn in any way, and it was not smashed. So I guess the phone will be fine inside. The smartphone was carefully packed, as you can see here, in a small white box, and it was wrapped with a slim gelatin in order to prevent it from opening. So I will now carefully tear the gelatin and open the box. And see if the phone works now. This is the smartphone. It doesn't seem scratched in any way. It's my own smartphone. I can see it because I can see the gelatin here. This is the gelatin I stuck to the phone when I first got it. So I will try to see if the power button now works. Okay, it works. It seems working. There's some dust inside the glass, or inside the gelatin, between the gelatin and the glass. So the phone started. Everything seems working. Bluetooth is on. I disabled it. And let's see if the button works. Yes, it seems it works. The problem is corrected. Thank you, Tinydeal.